Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore a simple and effective method to quickly grow your YouTube subscribers. Let's dive straight into it without wasting any time. Step 1. Find something trending. To begin, we will need a trending or popular topic that people are actively searching for. A great website for this is 1337 On this website, you will find a variety of trending movies, games, apps, and software. For example, let's pick a trending game listed here. Blood Bowl 3. Step 2. Verify popularity using Google Trends. Before proceeding, we need to ensure that this topic is genuinely popular. Head over to Google Trends and search for the game name over the past 30 days. If the interest level is above 50, it's a good indicator that people are actively looking for it. Step 3. Get the file or link. Next, you can either download the game or upload it into another platform, or simply copy the torrent file link from here. If you see any problem downloading the file, you can just copy the file name and search in Google, and you will see there are a lot of websites who are also providing the same download file link. So just go to this site and you can see the file of this game. We can have the mega download link, so we can just copy the mega download link. Step 4. Generate your subscription link. Now visit the link I'll provide you. This tool lets you enter your YouTube channel link in the first field, paste the torrent file link in the second field. Before you give your YouTube channel link, make sure to make it like this. Now go to Intendi and give here your YouTube channel link and click on generate subscription link. So whenever someone click on this link, they must subscribe your YouTube channel. You can see here in this. Okay, so at the first glance they need to subscribe to visit your channel. So after you do this, now click on generate. This will create a special link. When someone click on it, they will need to subscribe your channel first before they can access your file. Step 4. Promote your link. Now that you have your subscription link, the next step is promotion. Here's how we can do this. Facebook groups and pages. Search for groups or pages related to your topic. For example, gaming or the name of that game, Blood Bowl 3. So post your link in those comments for the post or videos. Now you can do another thing. You can make YouTube videos, create or find videos related to that game and upload the clips or screenshots of that game, including your link in the comment or description. Bonus tip: the method is not limited to YouTube subscribers. You can also use it to get followers and likes on Instagram and Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, share for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.